Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Lisa.
And Rufus.
Hi. You gonna wave?
Hiya, hello.
Hello, we are waving. Right then, and today it's a Monday. It is everybody's favourite question today.
Oh.
See, that's going to really annoy me now because it's off centre, so I need to make it all look nice again. There we go.
Oh, there we are.
So it is another episode of Will It Soup. First of all, I've got to say, huge thank you to everybody who liked the first episode. That was really good, wasn't it?
Yes, it was very tasty.
No, I don't mean the soup. You didn't like the soup. I mean the fact that so many people watched it.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, because you kept saying to me, have you seen all the comments? Have you seen people commenting, asking for food and stuff? So this is one of your YouTube comment suggestions.
Yeah.
I wonder where I've nicked that from. But this is one of your YouTube comment suggestions. And it was a bit of a faff. So as you can see from the intro, I've got my splint on and also my nails are disgusting because I haven't been able to redo them because I'm having a fibro flare this week, or like really bad. And you've been really bad this week as well, haven't you? So basically between us, we wanted to do a nice easy Will It soup. I know, right? All of this time, a minute and a half in, and all you're seeing is an empty bowl.
What is it going to be?
So what would it be that was in the comments? One of your suggestions, and it's dead easy. Brrr, drum roll. Here's the cooking.
Oh. We're making soup with a paper bag and a paper cup.
So show them what's in the magic bag. So this is a McDonald's bag.
A magic bag. Oh, we've got a potato.
So we've got a lovely hash brown.
And a
double sausage and egg McMuffin and a cup of tea.
Yeah, I probably don't want to blend that either though.
Well, no. That's going in. That's all going in. Not the packaging, but yeah, even the cup of tea. So that
plastic.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, not the packaging, not the cup. But this is a McDonald's breakfast meal, and this was suggested by normally I'd call her my good friend on the internet, Kirsty, but she's going to make us eat soup that's made out of this.
It does smell nice.
It does smell nice. It smells really yummy. But we had to get this, not postmated. That's what they do in the States. What's it called? Deliveroo. We had to get Deliveroo to deliver this morning. So then that is what it looks like if you've never had a McDonald's double sausage and egg McMuffin meal before. That's the McMuffin. And there are two sausage patties.
Oh, and a lovely egg underneath.
Well, not a very nice egg actually. That doesn't look very appealing at all. But yeah, and there's a bit of melted old cheese in the middle bit there. So I've just got ketchup on my thumb. And then there's a hash brown, which is really, really greasy. But yeah, and then we've got our lovely cup of tea. Right, let me just take the tea bag out of that because ow, that's hot. That's hot. Right then. Okay, shall we take this over to the soup maker? You know the rules by now. Here we go, over to the soup maker. So I'm going to put that on there. So then we lift this up. And we make sure that we get the ketchup. So get the ketchup on the hash brown. And then we get the burger with some ketchup because you need ketchup on your burger, don't you? You need ketchup on your burger like that. And then we get that ready and we go. There we go. Oh, yum, 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 yum. And then the last bit of ketchup on the last bit of the, what's this called? Muffin. There we go. That looks nice. And then the piece de resistance, Rufus. Be careful with that because that is super hot. Are you ready? Here is the McDonald's cup of tea.
It'd probably be very nice with a cup of tea.
Right, probably not. Right then. I know. So we've got to fill it up to the fill line. So we banging in the water, banging in the water, banging in the water until we get to the line. No seasoning then. So it is basically we're going in raw, as they say. Right then. So chunky or smooth? Chunky or smooth?
Probably smooth.
Okay, yeah, we made that mistake last week, didn't we? So we'll go smooth, and then you press the magic button there, and on smooth, it's only 21 minutes. Oh.
And that's quicker than you can do it in a saucepan.
That's very true. And we'll be back in a few minutes to show you what it's like.
A few minutes later.
The soup smells really nice. It smells really nice.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Here we go, it's a proper blendy, 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 blend. It's beeping. That means it's time. Are you ready? This is a McDonald's double sausage egg McMuffin with hash brown and cup of tea. Okay, first of all, on looks, that actually looks like quite a good soup.
It actually looks like a vegetable soup to me.
There's a bit of fat on the top. I don't know whether that's reading on camera, but you can see a little bit of shininess just on top.
Oh, yeah.
That's probably from the hash brown.
Yes, possibly.
Right then. Come on then, dig your spoon in, love. Let's have a. It's a bit runny. I think it's too runny for my taste, but
It's very, very hot.
and it's going to be very hot. Yeah, right.
Very, very hot.
Okay, let's see. It looks like a soup actually. Paella you didn't like because you had all the flavours in one go. Yeah. And once again, you've got all the flavours in one go. I think that's going to be the thing for all of these.
The only thing I think with this one, I said we could have probably done the water slightly below the line, maybe, but
can't really with the fill line. That's the minimum amount. I mean,
I think actually it does taste.
It's very runny. Right, Gab, have another taste. Have another taste. See what you think second time round. Hang on.
I'd say it tastes like a breakfast. A breakfast soup.
It actually tastes all right, doesn't it? It actually tastes quite nice.
It just tastes like McDonald's in a soup.
It tastes like...
Doesn't taste horrible.
No, do you know what it tastes like? It tastes like how the bags smell. Does that make sense? You know, when you open up the bag and you go...
smell it.
Okay.
It doesn't taste that bad at all.
No, okay. For a taste test, actually...
I could...
You can have that bowl, can't you?
I could, yeah, it's quite nice.
And then there's still enough in there for me. See, this is what we were saying earlier, actually. If you are, like, a bit strapped for cash... This is actually turning into a really good life hack because you could just go and get your McDonald's like single meal, which normally one person would go, oh, I'm hungry. But actually you turn it into a soup for two people and you get enough for two people. Whether you're still hungry or not is another thing.
It's not, like I say, it's not horrible at all.
No, in fact, I'm having another spoon because I actually quite like it. Are you having a bit more?
The only thing I say is I can't find the ketchup because I did put ketchup went in it, but...
All the ketchup went in it, yeah. All the ketchup from the plate.
I don't know if people can see that, but once if you can see on the spoon, it's a bit grease on the spoon.
Yeah, there is a bit of fat in it, isn't it? There is a bit of fat in it.
Yeah.
So the question on this show is always, will it soup? And clearly, that is a bowl of soup. That is definitely a bowl of soup.
It looks like a nice soup.
It looks like there's some sort of sea creature coming up from the deep, dirty maps, with
It's a potato, yeah.
Probably, with those eyes on it. But it definitely is a soup. The question is, though, should it soup? What do you think?
Yeah.
Right now, if I said to you, there's your breakfast, love.
Yeah, it's not horrible.
It's all right, actually, isn't it? Okay, then, so out of 10, what would you give our wonderful McDonald's double sausage and egg McMuffin with cheese, with hash brown, and a nice cup of tea? What would you give it out of 10?
I would probably give it maybe a 7. But then that's only because I can't drink my tea separate, see, because it's all in one. Yeah, and do you know what? I think I would also give it a 7, only because I think for me it's a little bit too runny. Yeah. So for me, I think it does definitely need another hash brown or like, I don't know, maybe a bacon and egg McMuffin added into it or something. But actually, for me, yeah, I would give it a 7, which means overall this week, your Will It Soup special, which has been requested by the lovely Kirsty in the comment section from last week, gets 7 out of 10. Yummy. So then, don't forget, everybody, this was one of your suggestions. We've got plenty of ideas ourselves and lots more suggestions from other people. But if you have a meal, it could be a dinner or it could be a breakfast, and you would like to know if that meal will soup or not, you know what you need to do. What do they need to do? Put it in the comments below.
Put it in the comments below, and we will hopefully have a look at it. And if it sounds like a fun idea, we'll do it in a future episode. Don't forget, everybody, if you like this episode, do please give it a thumbs up. Yay! And also, if you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button. That really helps us out with YouTube. We'll be back next week when we ask everybody's brand new favourite question. Will it soup?